Hey guys, Count with Tekamo. We got 100,000 subscribers. Oh wow, 100,000, that's fucking crazy. Thanks for the 100,000. Thanks for watching all the bullshit and everything too. The good and the bad, the ugly, all of it. It's been cool building a community up.
Thank you everyone for 100,000 subscribers. We really do appreciate all the love. We are not stopping here. We're still going. There's gonna be more service calls coming, a couple new series. We're just gonna keep it going. More Cam, more Tyler, more Keith, more other guys.
100,000, that's fucking crazy. 3 and then 5 and then we were in Germany when we hit 10, weren't we? That's crazy. And then, I don't know when we hit like 50. That was like Vegas maybe, the second or? Yeah, Mueller recognized us at like 15 or 2,000 or whatever it was. Like it wasn't much. And Mueller was willing to work with us, which is really cool. So like huge thanks to Mueller.
Shout out to everyone who's been buying rubber tracks, tools like the Big Chooch, wrench extenders, merch, everything, and flange locks, etc., etc., etc. You guys pretty much pay for this channel to operate, so keep doing that and we can keep making more and more and more and more. Merch is coming up on the website as well. We'll be releasing it individually soon.
Ooh, can you hear that on the mic, you think?
Throughout the video, we'll be shouting out a bunch of people who've bought tooling from us. We got the AOK from them, and we'll start with a list of the guys who bought the most tools from us. Brandon F. from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Owen Brothers Diesel from Snyder, Texas. Peter H. from Crow's Nest Pass, Alberta. Anthony K. from Oahu, Hawaii. Cass W. also from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. Shout out Moose Jaw, I gotta come visit that place. Next up are a few guys who have purchased rubber tracks from us. Brandon E. from Idaho. Philip W. from New Smyrna Beach, Florida. If we said Smyrna wrong, let us know because we fucking guessed. House Rock Construction from Oregon. Taylor from Linden, Washington. Raspberry Farmer, love you. Jeff P. from Saskatchewan, who bought a bunch of rubber tracks. And finally, those who purchased merchandise from us. Sean M. from Australia. That sounds like a real person. Colby D. from Long Island, New York, who bought a Big Chooch and some merch. And Sean G. from Idaho. If you've supported us by buying tracks, tools, or other stuff and want to be included in the next video, reach out, parts@fortishd.com. Let us know you're good with it and we will feature you. Send us some pictures. Shout out to the day oneers. Talk about you, Terry Baker, right? Day one, Terry Baker. Got comments on my LinkedIn so fucking much, I think we're dating. Sorry.
Eat, Pray, Farm, whatever the fuck his name is. Eat, Pray, Sleep, whatever. Oh, what's his name? He's been with us since like the Eat, Farm, Sleep.
Shout out Tim and his kid Lucas. Where the Chad been? Has anyone seen Chad? Shout out Oz. Sweet baby daddy of Welsh. Now thank you to all the haters.
But we got some really cool community members that have been around for like a long time. And we see you in the comments popping up a lot and we always appreciate it.
As a thank you, we do have a giveaway in this video. We got a couple new sticker packs coming out. They're not released yet, so you guys will be the first ones to get them if you win that. There's these and there's orange. Support
high vis, like blue collars, so we wear high vis, right? Oh, that's fucking cool, brother. I might actually put one of these on my Tremor. But then should I put the orange one on my truck or no? But I like it. These are cool stickers, actually.
We also have some crew packs that we're gonna give away. We haven't decided if it's 2 or 3. Will depend on how many people comment and see how many people are in the draws. Anyone who says they can't wear 5 hats, what kind of bullshit is that? I got 6 hats on. Man. The way to get into it is to comment 100,000, take a screenshot, fill out the link. All the other bullshit done in every other video is how you get involved. You will only receive a winner's email from me, Josh D, at FortisHD.com. If anyone comments on YouTube saying, no, you've won, reach out to me, you get a free welder. They're a bullshit. Don't fall for that shit. We will never charge you anything on these giveaways. The giveaways are always free shipping and everything. So if anyone's reaching out saying, hey, you owe us $14 for this, tell them to go f themselves and don't pay the 14 bucks. Once again, shout out to everyone who's been around since day one, and here's a little compilation of seal jokes for some fucking reason.
If you're thinking about it, it makes sense to leave it loose, and then you let the seals do the talking. Bonded seals. Bonded seals? Is that the kind of you're into? No wonder you're banned from the aquarium. Oh, there's the seal. Insert seal joke here. I won't do it. So we're gonna put the new crank seal we got
New seals from the zoo? Too bad I'm banned. The seal jokes are just getting old now, you guys. Come on.
So, because we disturbed the seals. Anyways, y'all have a great night. Remember, God loves you, because I sure don't. On that note, boys, I just want to say one final thing. God loves you, because I sure as don't. Y'all have a great night. Remember, God loves you, because I sure as don't. Y'all have a great night. Remember, God loves you, because I sure as don't. Now, y'all remember, have a great night. Oh, how does it go again? Oh no, I forgot my own line. Beep boop. I love you because God doesn't. You're all gonna go to hell. Yeah, no, I watched me dumb fucking TikToks. My brain's all fucked up. Now, y'all have a great night. Remember, God loves you because I sure as don't.
Thank you. Thank you. Love you. Bye. See you at 200,000. That's when I'll check in next. All right. See you later. Bye. Love you. Cool. I gotta go home. I'm gonna go see my family. I have one of those too. Don't. Yeah. I do more than work. So, bye. See ya.
Thank you. Love you guys.
Thank you guys. He loves you. I don't fucking love you. He loves you. I don't love anybody except my 2 kids. F the rest of you.
It's weird when I get stopped in public sometimes. Not that that happens a lot. Usually it happens at like a parts store, somewhere like industry related, and guys will be like, "Hey, you're on that Tekamo." Like, yeah. That's it. That's the interaction. Usually.